20th century poetry suggestion. Part A. Brief question with answer. W. B. Yeats. 1. Why was W. B. Yeats called the national poet of Ireland? Ans. By his birth and temperament, by the accident of his upbringing, and also by deliberate choice, W. B. Yeats was the poet of the Irish tradition. That is why he was called the national poet of Ireland. 2. What is IRB? Ans. The IRB refers to the secret extremist revolutionary party, Irish Republican Brotherhood. Yeats joined this party in 1896. 3. When did W. B. Yeats receive the Nobel Prize? Ans. W. B. Yeats was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in December 1923. 4. What is Innisfree? Ans. Innisfree is a little island in the Lake Loch Gill near the poet's home in Sligo. 5. How was W. B. Yeats inspired to write the Lake Isle of Innisfree? Ans. W. B. Yeats was inspired to write the Lake Isle of Innisfree by the sight of a jet of water in a chemist's shop while he was standing on an actual London pavement. T.S. Eliot. 1. Where from is the name Prufrock derived? Ans. The name Prufrock in the title is derived from a firm of furniture dealer in St. Louis. 2. In what way is the title of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock ironical? Ans. The title of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock suggests that the poem should be a love song addressed by the lover, Prufrock, to his beloved, but in reality there is no expression of love in the poem. Ironically, the lover does not even have the courage to meet the lady face to face and express his love to her. 3. What kind of poem is the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock? Ans. The love song of J. Alfred Prufrock is in the nature of an interior monologue. 4. What is epigraph? Ans. An epigraph is a quotation or motto at the beginning of a book or its part or a poem. It relates to the content of the work in which it is quoted. 5. Where from is the epigraph to the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock taken? Ans. The epigraph to the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock has been taken from Dante's Inferno, Canto XXV, 61-66. Dylan Thomas. 1. Who was Dylan Thomas? Ans. Dylan Thomas was the greatest of the poets of Wales and one of the most fascinating literary figures of modern England. 2. What was the full name of Dylan Thomas? Ans. Dylan Thomas's full name was Dylan Marlays Thomas. The second name, Marlays, means voice of the sea. 3. What made the poet wake up early in the morning on his birthday? Ans. The calls of the birds and other noises and sounds of nature woke the poet up early in the morning on his birthday. 4. What is the meaning of the mussel pooled? Ans. The mussel pooled means pools full of mussels, a kind of small fish. The idea is that there are lots of fish in the sea. 5. What is the significance of the heron priested shore? Ans. The heron is a long-legged water bird that sits priest-like on the seashore or on any watery ground for hunting fish. The heron, as all other objects and creatures of nature, appears holy to the poet. Sylvia Plath. 1. How does the mother speaker address her child at the beginning of the poem, Morning Song? Ans. Love is the initial word in the poem, Morning Song, and simultaneously, the mother speaker directly addresses her recently born baby. Love set you going. 2. What does the phrase "a fat gold watch" refer to? Ans. The phrase "a fat gold watch" refers to the newborn baby. To compare a baby to a fat gold watch is surreal. The child is animate while a watch is inanimate. The simile suggests that there is a great distance between the act of love and the fact of the baby. 3. Why did the midwife slap the newborn's footsoles? Ans. The midwife slapped the newborn's footsoles in order to provide it with a gateway into life. 4. How can a newborn baby cast a shadow upon the security of the adults? Ans. The newborn baby's metaphorical nakedness or vulnerability puts into shade or casts gloom over the grown-up's false sense of security. 5. What comic picture of the mother do you find in the poem, Morning Song? Ans. The comic picture of the mother may be seen when she, on hearing her baby's cry, stumbles from her bed in the dark of the night to attend it, wearing her ridiculous Victorian nightgown, with floral motifs.